Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Geno315, man. I'm back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today, man, we got those Jordan 4 Lightning things on deck. A lot of people have been asking me to review this shoe. I've been seeing a lot of reviews pop up of this shoe as well. So I figured I'd get my hands on them, do my little rendition, do the thing that I do, and then put a review out, and then move on to the next review. The retail shoe, I believe, drops on August 28th this month, next week. So if you guys want a pair of these joints, make sure you guys get your sneakers app ready, get your whatever apps ready that you need to get ready. Prepare for the madness. I think these ones are gonna go very, very quickly. I think that if you don't get your hands on these joints, you're gonna be paying a pretty penny for a resale cost. I think the 2006 version is going for about $2,000 on StockX right now. I will put the prices up on the screen for y'all so y'all can see what those prices are talking about. That's all resale prices right there. I'm not gonna tell you what to do with your money. You guys do what you wanna do with your own money, but just know this is an educational video. This is a UA shoe. This is not the retail. I'm just showing you a quick little snippet, something easy, something that you can see real quick before the shoe comes out, just to give you an idea. You know what I'm saying? These ones are from Trader Joe's. Y'all know how Trader Joe's is. Y'all know what his quality is like. He won't give you nothing that's whack. He won't give you nothing that's below what retail usually will give you. So this is pretty much what we're gonna get right here. You know what I mean? Don't be alarmed by the color on the camera. It looks a lot more yellow on camera than it does in person. I think it's a little bit more lighter of a yellow. It's not as banana yellow as it would seem on the camera, but you'll see that in the on foot. Before I jump into breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about these joints. Make sure you hit me up on that Instagram. I will be posting pictures. This is where you can find out where to cop shoes, all that other stuff. And make sure you guys hit me on that TikTok as well. Hit me up on that TikTok. The TikTok is popping. All right, so primarily yellow shoe. It's a yellow upper. The previous 2006 version looks a little bit different. The netting is one of the main differences in the shoe, and I believe the yellow was a little bit more of a different yellow, kind of the same concept, but just a little bit different. The netting went horizontally, and as you can see in the picture on the screen, you can see the netting was a little bit different. That's back when people were saying your shoes was fake if the netting wasn't right and all this other stuff, but that is the way they were making it. One of the things about this shoe that I questioned every single time I saw it was this outsole and was the wing and these hits on the waffles and the tongue. I thought it was blue. For some reason, it always looks blue to me, but definitely right now in the camera, I can see that it's gray. It's yellow and gray, and this is a darker gray. This is kind of the same concept, just like these waffles here. It is definitely a gray. It is not navy, it's not blue, it is dark gray. Primarily yellow shoe, yellow upper. This is kind of like, this material is like a nubuck, a very soft nubuck. It kind of reminds me of the nubuck type leather material on a Jordan 12. I think it was the Jordan 12 Obsidian that had that nubuck feeling leather material. So it has that same type of material, just a kind of a little bit of transition. Nothing really that you can really see. Got the netting on the toe, got the waffles, got the netting on the mid panel here, got a nice gray suede wing right here, white midsole and a gray outsole, the nice yellow, and this is leather. This is not the plastic tab, this is a leather tab, and then you got the plastic Jumpman right there. Medial side of the shoe looks like the lateral side of the shoe. Outsole of the shoe is gray with the yellow Jumpman. Air unit has white in there, that looks good. Yellow laces, no extra laces come with these joints. What I like about Trader Joe's is he kind of tried to tie it up for me, so he tied it all the way up to the top. I'm gonna relace it, but he tied it all the way up to the top. That flight tag right there with the Jumpman looks very, very good, stitched well. The tongue looks good. Tongue is stitched well, but it is wrinkling a little bit, but once I loosen it up, it's gonna look better. Standard shoe tree comes with this joint right here. We got a white insole with the Jumpman, the gray Jumpman in there, and then we got the Air Jordan on the back in yellow, and we got the gray behind the tongue. I like this shoe. It's not like, it's something about yellow shoes, right? Yellow shoes definitely speak to people, and it kind of stands out. So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10 for colorway, I mean, it's a dope colorway. I like the yellow. It's kind of got that like reverse thunder, reverse cool gray kind of look to it. So I'm really, really digging that. I'm gonna go ahead and give it probably a solid 8.5 for the colorway. I think a lot of people are after this shoe. I didn't think that the shoe was as significant as it was. A lot of people are after this joint, so I'm glad I got my hands on it. In terms of construction and materials used, you can already see the leather just wrinkling. Look at the leather. That is amazing leather. And y'all know I'm all about the leather. You know what I'm saying? I'm really about the tumbled leather, but the leather on this shoe is very, very, very nice. It's very soft, very good. You got nice padding in there. I mean, your foot is going to be cushioned very well. I don't see any issues with the shoe, no crazy glue spots or anything like that with the shoe. it does look very, very good. I think it's gonna be one of those bangers. So if I had to do construction and materials, 9.5, you know, something like that. It does fit true to size, so you won't go wrong going with Trader Joe's. Shipping was like 4 days, so they came pretty quick. If that's what y'all want to do, you want to go with Trader Joe's, or you want to wait for the retail release, it's your choice. You do what you want with your own money, do what you can afford. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I just hope this was informative for you. Hope this helps you make a decision. I hope you guys can get the retail version of this one. I hope I can get the retail version of this one, for crying out loud. So let's jump into that on foot. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. What's good, y'all? It's your boy General 315, man. I'm back one more time. Different shoe today, man. And I'm kind of glad that it's overcasted today. It's been raining a lot. Getting a good on foot of these joints was really, really, really hard to do because of all the freaking rain, yo. This joint, super, super dope shoe. It kind of looks blue, like I said, like got the yellow and the gray joint right here. The Lightning 4s, definitely good construction. I'm glad Trader Joe's got these ones out to me. There's other people that got reviews of these joints that's up on YouTube. Go check them out too. Shout out to them. Shout out to them. If you guys want to get these joints early, I would advise you go to Trader Joe's if that's what you want to do. I don't condone the sale or resale of UA goods, but that's what you want to do your thing. Or wait for the release next week on August 28th. Make sure you got your money ready. All right, y'all, what's good? I wanted to talk a little bit about something else today. I wanted to talk about cancer. A lot of people got questions about cancer all the time. Cancer in a nutshell is when cells in your own body ignore cell death and then they keep multiplying. When your cells divide, they'll do these checks and balances to make sure that the cell is replicated appropriately, right? So when the cell is not replicated appropriately and it has a flaw in it or it has a mutation, that's what they call a mutation, there's mechanisms in your body that tells the cell that it's supposed to die. Well, instead, the cell keeps multiplying. Every single time that mutated cell replicates itself, it's never the same. And that's what happens in cancer. That's why cancer is really, really hard to stop, because there's no medication that we can really give a person that says target that thing, that cell, right? Because that cell is actually a part of you. It's not like it's a bacteria or a virus or anything like that. So that's why cancer is so hard to stop and get rid of, because your own body has mutated to the point where it turned against itself and it can't stop itself. It keeps making itself over and over and over again. Anyway, I just wanted to touch on that cancer. You can always go online at the American Cancer Society online right below right here, and you guys can check them out to get more information. Do your research. You might be able to help somebody.